Okay, hello guys. Well, practically I have bought this inverter machine as you saw on my previous videos for make this dolly. It's a towing dolly. It comes from another old towing dolly, some part, and the rear part came from the rear axle for I think it was for a Focus car. And then, well, to be honest, it's really easy to weld with this machine. I'm a beginner welding. uh, I have not a lot of experience on welding works, but with this machine it's really easy to weld. You can see how, for example, here it's not the perfect. Probably a expertise guy welding can be this so much with more professional, but you can see the welding is not so bad, to be honest. You can see this other one. You can see, but as I say, I am a beginning welder. And then you can see these other ones. And then, to be honest, the machine helps you so much. I'm using electrodes 6010 for make these weldings, and then for make these holes I use Gowing rods. And then, to be honest, the machine is really good. It's really good. The arc forks helps you so much. And then, well, this is a video about how does it goes. And then probably I will make another video when it is finished. And then hope you like this video.